Our feet definitely suffer in our daily lives. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to release tension in the bottoms of your feet, but also potentially open up the entire posterior chain, your whole back body, with just a super simple ball rolling practice that will take just a few minutes that you can integrate into your everyday life. To get started, you might want to try a before and after. So stand up and take a very simple forward bend, hinging at the hips and just releasing down towards your toes. And notice the sensations through your whole back body. Notice how far down you can go. Notice any sensations of stretch through the hamstrings or the back of the spine. And then you'll do the practice video next, and then do that forward bend one more time and just check out if you were able to create a little bit more space with this practice. So go ahead and place the first position is to place the ball right under the center of the heel, and then relax your toes and the ball of your foot down. Bend into your front knee and apply pressure like you're squishing the ball underneath the heel. Holding that steady pressure here. You may feel the quadricep muscle turn on, just applying that steady pressure through the center of the heel. And then coming off the ball and sliding it to position 2, which is right to the front edge of the heel. So we're not into the arch of the foot yet, we're at the center of the heel. And again, bending the knees, squishing the ball, applying pressure. You can even come up onto the ball of your foot, of your back foot, using any support of the wall or a chair to find steadiness. And just drive the weight down. Concentrating on allowing the ball to just melt into the fascia at the bottom of the feet. And then coming back and sliding to the middle of the arch. So middle of the arch now, applying pressure right through the center, trying to relax both the heel and the ball of the foot around. This is often a real sensitive place for a lot of people when they do this. So breathing into it, just giving a little bit of time for the ball to release into the center of the arch. And then coming now to the toe box. If you look straight down at your foot, this is the widest part of your foot. And then again, bending the knee. This can even stretch into the Achilles and into the calf muscle, depending on if you're tight. So releasing the heel down and feeling the ball press into the toe box. So you'll feel almost like the bones and the instep of your foot rising and spreading. You can see we're taking about 3 to 5 breaths in each position, about 30 seconds. And then releasing one more time. And this time the ball is going to come right to the base of your toes. And if you see, my ball just kind of went away, so you can easily just do this braced up against the wall so that the ball doesn't slide away from you like mine just did. And again, allowing the toes so that the ball of the foot, the base of the toes is on the ground. And then the toes are curling up and around like they're clawing into the ball. And then you can just kind of push into the ball with your toe tips. And then I like to kind of reposition so that I can get those second 2 toes, because I can't get all of my toes fully stretched. So I'll do the second position here, just emphasizing the 4th toe and the little toe here. And then coming off the ball, standing for just a moment, and just feeling the difference between your 2 feet. And then you'll go ahead and repeat the entire thing on the second side.